Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to design and style email in Mailchimp. This is essential for creating professional-looking campaigns that truly represent your brand and engage your subscribers effectively. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your account or create one if you haven't already. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can manage all your email campaigns. On the dashboard, locate and click the Create button. This opens up your campaign options. From here, select Email and then choose Regular for a standard email campaign. This is perfect for newsletters, announcements, or promotional content you want to send to your audience. Next, you'll need to type in a campaign name. This is just for your internal reference, so pick something that helps you identify the campaign later. Once you've entered the name, click Begin to move forward. Now it's time to set up your campaign details. Click Add Recipients to select which audience list you want to send this email to. This ensures your message reaches the right people. After that, click Add From to define your sender details like your name and email address. These details help your subscribers recognize who the email is coming from, which improves trust and open rates. Then click Add Subject and enter your email subject line along with preview text. The subject line is what grabs attention in the inbox, so make it compelling. Click Save when you're done. Now comes the fun part. Click the Design Email button to open Mailchimp's email builder. Here you'll see various templates to choose from. Browse through the options under Layouts or Themes and select one that fits your campaign's purpose, or you can start from scratch if you prefer full creative control. Once you've chosen a template, start adding content blocks by dragging elements like text, images, buttons, or other blocks into your email layout. Click inside any block to edit the text or replace images with your own. This is where you customize the message and visuals to match your brand. To refine the look further, click the Style tab. This is where you can customize fonts, colors, backgrounds, button styles, and spacing. Mailchimp even lets you adjust these settings separately for desktop and mobile views, ensuring your email looks great on any device. Before finalizing, click Preview to see how your email appears on different devices. This step is crucial for catching any formatting issues. Once everything looks perfect, click Save and Close to finish your design. And that's it. You've successfully designed and styled a professional email in Mailchimp that's ready to send. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.